I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you notice an unauthorized charge on your Ally app, disputing it can be straightforward. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Ally app. Launch the Ally app on your device and log into your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Once you're logged in, go to the Transactions section. This will allow you to view all recent charges and identify the one you want to dispute. Step 3. Select the unauthorized charge. Find the charge you believe is unauthorized and tap on it for more details. This is where you can see the transaction date, amount, and merchant information. Step 4. Initiate the dispute. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Monitor your dispute status. After submitting your dispute, keep an eye on the status within the app. You may receive updates via email or notifications about the progress of your dispute. Remember, it can take a few days to process your dispute, so be patient. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Alice Customer Service for assistance. Good luck!